because it seems like every time I get ahead, I end up going 2 steps back. So tonight, I'm just gonna let this one ride. You know what I mean? There's something about the dark side that constantly I keep getting attracted to. Maybe I should change, and well, maybe I shouldn't. But one thing's for sure, I'm always gonna be me. Just get along with each other and put away our problems, or whatever it is. We just need to forget about everything and just have a good time here tonight. It's really that simple.